down, shake it down, shake it boom. Today, monster in the wardrobe mimic. Hope you like it. I'll see you at the end of the video. We'll do a little showcase of the model, really. Alright, so the process. I'm going to do a time lapse of the creation, right? After that, I'm going to show you I'm going to put the supports on it and everything like that, so you know what it looks like going into a slicer like Chitubox and getting all it ready for printing. I'm going to print it and I'm going to show you the finished piece, and I'm actually recording this after, so I'm actually looking at the piece over there. It looks really cool. So if you haven't already, subscribe, follow, whatever platform you're seeing this on, like, all that jazz. My name's Jimmy, second name is Yardley. Jump on. Just a reminder that there is a sale on my Sculpts 3D. 90% if you will, you know, quite big. So it's worth a check out. Grab yourself a nice little STL file, stick it on your 3D printer. Like I have one over there, that thing over there. Goes up and down, prints good stuff. And have fun, play with it, paint it, show me. You know, love it. Great, yeah, back to the video. Oosh. Man, look at that. Turned out right, didn't it? It's on Sculpts 3D. So go over, grab it, get the file for yourself, and let me know how it prints on your printers. Give it to your dungeon master, you know? Give him a little prod, twist his nip. You know, you want this in your games. You know, tell him, slap him about a bit. You're the boss now. Please, please, please feel free to comment in the comments. Just tell me what you want to see next. Tell me what you want me to sculpt, what you want me to create. I can 3D print something, and whatever I like create on my videos, 9 times out of 10 I'm going to throw it on my 3D Sculpts as well, Sculpts 3D. So you can always grab it for yourself and try it on your own printers. So come back for the next video. I'm not going to tell you what it is because it's meant to be a surprise, but you know it's going to be a mimic. But I might be able to slide in another one before then, so. Ooh.